Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today, we're comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and Amazon eero. We've tested both products extensively and we're excited to share our thoughts with you. Before we dive in, please don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. So let's get started. Both Google Wi-Fi and Amazon eero offer excellent coverage, up to 4,500 square feet. However, Google Wi-Fi offers a single-point coverage of 1,500 square feet, whereas eero requires multiple devices for the same coverage. So, Google Wi-Fi takes the lead here in terms of simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Amazon eero replaces your existing router and works with most major internet service providers out there. Google Wi-Fi, on the other hand, requires the existing router to be in bridge mode for it to work. So, if you're looking for a complete replacement, Amazon eero is the winner in this category. Both Google Wi-Fi and Amazon eero offer simple setup procedures and user-friendly apps. However, the eero app is more comprehensive and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Additionally, eero's compatibility with Alexa makes it even easier to manage your network. So, in this category, Amazon eero is our winner. Both products offer exceptional performance, but eero's TrueMesh technology intelligently routes traffic to reduce drop-offs and dead spots, giving it the edge in this category. Google Wi-Fi is significantly cheaper than Amazon eero, so if you're on a tight budget, Google Wi-Fi is the better option. However, if you're willing to spend more for better features and performance, eero is worth the investment. And that's a wrap, folks. Both Google Wi-Fi and Amazon eero are excellent mesh Wi-Fi systems, but each product excels in different categories. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective option, Google Wi-Fi is the way to go. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, better-performing option, Amazon eero is the product for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next review video.